Good morning, everyone. I just woke up and I'm gonna make the viral salted date latte. So the first thing is I'm gonna remove the seed from the dates and then put hot. I just woke up. Don't judge me. I'm gonna put hot water on it. So they soak in a little, and then I'll make the espresso, and then we'll make the latte salted date milk. I meant the date milk with salt, and then add the espresso. You got it, you know. It's gonna be iced. I want it iced. I'm into iced. Summer's coming, you know. We're ready. Let's just peel them off. Oh, these are like kind of special dates a friend brought me. They're so tasty. My mom loves them. I miss my mom. Okay, I'm gonna do 3. I guess it's even too much. Maybe 2, 3. I will do 3. Okay, let's add hot water. I remove the seed and I'm adding just a tiny bit of hot water. Just a tiny bit. I don't want too much. Is it? It's not that hot. Okay, and I'm gonna add salt into this a little, just a tiny bit, you know. I already added the salt. I'm gonna add this into my blender and then add milk and then mix, blend. Let's have a taste test first. Kind of tastes like coconut juice. I like it. I'm gonna use this. I think it's for beer. One of my friends gave me this, but I love to drink my coffee in it. It's so big. It's so big. Guys, the moment of truth. I know it's gonna be worth it. I totally know. It doesn't taste the way that I thought it's gonna taste. It tastes like coffee. I mean, yes, there is coffee in it, but it doesn't taste like dates. It doesn't really taste like the date milk that I made. Probably did something wrong in there. Maybe I should have added more dates. But not bad. It's just a sweet. I thought it's gonna be sweet. It's not sweet. It's kind of like it still to me tastes like I made my coffee with coconut water, you know, like when you crack the coconut and there's a water in it. Maybe my dates were not sweet enough, or maybe because they were special days, you know, or maybe I should have made one shot of espresso, not double, but not bad. I mean, would I try it again? Probably not. But everyone was so hyped about it on TikTok, so probably I made it wrong. So I will just check more recipes and try it maybe later. I don't know. But next time I'm gonna make saffron coffee, saffron latte. I use a lot of saffron, guys. I'm a Persian, you know that. Anyways, so I'm gonna continue having my coffee, and you guys can try it too and let me know what I did wrong. I love you guys.